Why is the water coming out of the forest? There's literally a whirlpool in this golf course. Okay, let's just keep going. This is kind of an odd area, but we're just gonna keep on going. I'm just walking here and walking in the area, seeing if we can find some fish. This whole place is underwater. Oh my god. Why is the water coming out of the forest? Okay. Just gonna keep on walking. Slowly. Yeah, this water is like raging over here. Alright, so the challenge today. Oh my, is that a whirlpool? There's literally a whirlpool in this golf course.